If it's not spinach this time, what's next? You know, it could be lettuce. It can, you know. So we're doing this to hopefully protect the consumers.
He may only be out a few dollars in spinach, but as a suburban restaurant owner points out, there are many like him, and that's adding up to a class action lawsuit. Good evening to you. I'm Marion Brooks.
And I'm Bob Surratt. Allison and Warner have the night off. Restaurants across the nation are taking spinach off the menu, and they're throwing all of that unused produce in the dumpster. Now a suburban businessman is filing suit in an effort to get reimbursed for lost money. NBC5's Natalie Martinez joins us with more. Natalie?
That's right, but it's not so much about the money. It's more about the fact that the restaurant owners believe they were sold a faulty product. They're not looking to regain lost business or lost profits. They simply hope this lawsuit helps prevent an outbreak from happening to them or their customers again. At Hamilton's restaurant, you'll find just about everything for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. What you won't find on this menu, like so many others across the nation, is spinach. They're not just tossing the greens, they're taking action so another E. coli outbreak doesn't happen. They're filing a class action lawsuit today. It centers on product liability. They're seeking recovery for a defective product they believe was sold to them, other restaurants, and consumers nationwide by Natural Selection Foods in California.
We're doing this to hopefully proactively create a better way for produce companies or manufacturers to bring out fresher product to the customers.
Attorney Tom Zimmerman says this has bigger implications than refunding the $40 in spinach that the restaurant threw away.
If there's some good that could come out of this so that the quality control mechanisms out in the California farms can be improved, then they would like to see that.
Today, customers at the Glenview restaurant are keenly aware of the spinach E. coli warning and side with the restaurateurs in their move to make fresh foods safer. Some wondering if perhaps farmers, like those in California's Salinas Valley, should be regulated and forced into adhering to warnings they've previously gotten from the FDA. Warnings that the farmers needed to increase the safety of their food.
If that spurs on whoever is responsible, maybe the government should be involved.
I think they're setting the right precedent for the rest of the country.
A spokesperson for Natural Selection Foods and the owner, Earthbound Farms, told us they have no comment because they have not yet seen the complaint, which was filed yesterday afternoon in Cook County. I'm Natalie Martinez. Back to you, Bob.